Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's SerenaBee here, and today I have some happy mail or some merry mail from my friend Sabrina Ann. You guys probably know her by now. She's amazing, and so she sent me some happy mail for the holidays. And if you want to see what I sent her, she has a video, so I'll link it down below. I'll also have her YouTube channel linked down below if you haven't subscribed yet and you want to check her out. She's totally awesome, so creative, so inspirational, and you're not going to regret it. So I hope you guys can check her out and give her some love. So guys, want to see? Ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cool. I love the colors. It's so pretty. I love that paper. So I'll read that off camera. Sab, you're so cute. Thank you for your sweet message. Everything's packaged so cute. Okay. I don't even know where to start. There's a little die cut from Snow & Cocoa. Let's start with this. Oh, this is so fun. Let me put the box away. Beauty stuff. Oh, this is so cute. Room spray, peppermint truffle. Oh, it smells so good. And then there's some, ooh, a Reed diffuser, frosted sugar plum. This is so cute. Look at the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. Something sweet from Sabrina because she loves her sweets. These adorable coffee to go hot chocolate kits. I think this is a great idea for craft fairs if you're doing like, you know, a little stand or something. Handmade gift, and you make a bunch of these and people can just buy them, put them in little stockings. I think it's such a cute gift even for co-workers. Oh, this is such an amazing idea. And there's me. She has a tutorial, so I'll link it down below, and she did a blonde, a brunette, and someone with gray hair. So I figured, you know, like that has to be us, right? Danny is the blonde, I'm the one with the gray hair, and then Sabs is the one with the brown hair. So I thought that was so cute how she like personalized it. It's so sweet. She's so awesome. There's like a hot chocolate mix in there. It looks like a candy cane, some candies. It's just so cute. And little tags says warm wishes. I love how she packaged everything. It's so sweet. Thank you so much, Sabrina. So she created these like gingerbread guys ornaments for her tree for Christmas, and she sent some. These are so cool. So they're like gingerbread ornaments basically. Let me just open them. I believe she made these with applesauce and cinnamon. Oh, they smell so good. I love cinnamon. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to eat it. I know you can't. I know you can't, but I kind of want to eat it. Oh, it smells so good. They're so cute. If I keep this in my car or in my closet, will it like be an air freshener? Will it freshen up? Because I love the smell of cinnamon. I love cinnamon. So these are so cute. Thank you so much, Sabrina. They're so adorable. So she included some jingle bells. Shimmer powder with poof. Cute. So cute. And this is bath confetti. Oh, look at that. I'm a sucker for packaging. Look at this. It's like a little piece of cake. Oh my, I'm totally gonna reuse this. Totally keeping this box. I have this around in a bath. How adorable. Okay, look at, and there's like a little gingerbread cookie. That's really cute. Gingerbread cookie house. I'll go with this little baggie here. And this a card. Ooh, this is her shadow box card, I believe, right? Yay! It's so cute. Oh, it's adorable. Wait, this is for our Christmas card collab, so I had made this one. If you guys want to see a tutorial, I'll link it down below. But yeah, look how cute. She used the Lawn Fawn dies, and I love how she had like glitter on the little trees. I always forget to use I have like stickles and all that stuff. I always forget to use them. This is so adorable. Thank you so much. Sabs, did you just throw the whole thing in here? Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that. And there's a tree in it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is like so fun. So here's another project that she has on her channel. It's a cute little altered tin. And what's inside? Ooh, some more chocolates. I love these. I can't wait to eat these after I finish filming. It's so pretty. So we have a little stocking. She has a tutorial on this too. How freaking cute. So adorable. Let's see what's inside. It smells like mint. Ooh, I love these bells. So cute. And I love these straws. I don't have any Christmas straws. So that's adorable. And so yeah, there's just this cute little Christmas tree kit, embellishment kit. I love these little peppermints. Some snowflakes, stickers, but I don't have any. These are from Michael's. So cute. And then she has some die cuts here from the Snow & Cocoa collection. Very cute. Thanks, Sabrina. My favorite. Oh, I love it so much. Look at this bookmark. Oh, she has a tutorial on this too. It's one of my favorite projects she's done this year. I think it's so cute. It's black and white and it speaks to my heart, as you guys probably know by now. And look at that. I love how she made this little like tail here with this ribbon. I have a ton of this ribbon. I never know how to use it, and I love how she used it here. So she has a cute little polar bear. She kept it black and white, and she added these iridescent sequins and glitter beads, and it says warm hugs. Isn't that cute? This is the perfect bookmark. Thank you so much for sending me one. I love these. And here's a box of chocolates that she altered. Look at that little cute polar bear. Oh my gosh. Peppermint bark. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you. So she altered it with, again, Lawn Fawn dyes, and she added some glittery glue on the slopes here. A cute little bear. So everything is cooler with you. That is so adorable. She even did like a little using some pattern paper like around the chocolate box. So that's so freaking creative. So we got a cute little sleep mask because wake me up for desserts. How cute! Actually needed a new one. Thank you so much. And this is a cute little packaging. Again, I love how she packages everything. It's so sweet. What could this be? I love these bags. Where'd you get them? Ooh, hot chocolate. That is so cute. Thank you so much for the hot chocolate package. That's so cute. Everything is so pretty. I love everything. And then she sent me some nail polish from Ulta, and I'm so excited because I love glittery nail polish. And look at these. They're so cute. I like these two so much. And this purple one is pretty. Anyway, thank you so much. I love these. They're so pretty. I love all the like the cute girly stuff you sent. It's so pretty and it goes with the theme and all the pink and everything. Oh, she's so awesome. So I had seen these people haul these from Target, and Target has so many cute things, especially now for Valentine's Day. It kills me because we don't have anything as nearly as cute. Even Michael's the stuff this year, it's cute, but it's not like I wouldn't buy any of that. So, but the Target dollar spot now has so many amazing things for Valentine's Day. It's ridiculous. It's freaking ridiculous. But anyway, I mentioned that I really like these, and she picked up not one but 2 packs for me. Thank you so much. They're so cute. They're like little candy cane striped letters. Oh, I can't wait to use these next year. Not just white and red. I like that there's pink and green and red and white. It's really pretty. I like these a lot more than the Pebbles one, to be honest. Thank you so much, Sabrina. Oh my gosh, guys, so that's everything she got. Thank you so much, Sabrina, for this happy mail and for thinking of me during this holiday. I just had so much fun opening this, and it means a lot to me. And all the handmade projects you sent, I love every single thing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You put so much care and detail into packaging, and everything is just so coordinated so perfectly, and I love everything. Your friendship means a lot to me, and I'm so happy that we got closer this year, and I'm just so freaking excited that I know someone as cool as you. That I can say, yeah, I'm friends with Sabrina and she's awesome. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. I'll have everything linked down below like I said before. And yeah, so I hope you guys are inspired by this and you can check her out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and you want to see more crafty videos. I put out a video every Saturday and I have one coming up soon. So I hope you guys stick around, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!